Check out the latest MacBook Air here. Absolutely gorgeous stuff. That beautiful liquid retina there. 13-inch, or it's a 13.6-inch display. This is the unique blue color that we haven't seen before on a MacBook range. Quite subtle. Certain lighting conditions and certain angles, it looks almost silver. Now if I turn it around, it does have a protective cover on it, so quite subtle. You can see that blue tone though, it really does come through in certain lighting conditions. But like I said, silver almost at times as well, which is quite unique. We've got that huge trackpad there, the keyboard itself. Yeah, feels great. Really love the travel of the keys. You've got a little bit of a notch up here for the camera, which, you know, can be a little bit of a different kind of thing to get used to if you haven't had a pronounced notch like that. But I absolutely love typing on this keyboard. The keyboard feels amazing. I love this. Feels great. You can see when I minimize this down, love that liquid retina. Just looks absolutely stunning. And if we have a look a little bit more, I'll just read through some of the specs of this guy. So it's a 10-core CPU, 8-core GPU. It's a 13.6-inch liquid retina LED. It's got an M4 chip, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and 256 gigabytes of storage. I really love the little subtle touch as well when we look at the charging cable. So if I move this to the side, you will see the charging cable comes with MagSafe. So first things first, absolutely love MagSafe. The idea is it just magnetically clips in, if I can find the port, which of course I can't for this video. There we go, so magnetically connects, and then you can just pull it off. So if it ever gets pulled, you don't lose the entire laptop as well. It just pulls out the cable. So really, really love that. But they've gone with a little bit of a subtle feature here. So the actual MagSafe is kind of matching, like the cable is a braided cable, and they're trying to match that color of the laptop. So really nice touch there. Comes with, you know, pretty standard charging brick, which I believe is a 30-watt USB-C power adapter. Then you get that braided cable with a similar color palette to the actual laptop itself. And this is what you can expect. It's beautiful. You got the fingerprint scanner over here. Keyboard feels great. This is like max brightness right now. Looks just beautiful. Yeah, I've been impressed with this. Love the battery life on it. It's been great so far. Unfortunately, I can't show too much just because it's like, you know, personal data and whatnot. But, you know, this is what you can expect from it. Very snappy, punchy with everything that you can imagine. Feels great when you're using it. All the buttons just, yeah, have such a nice travel to them. Beautiful display on it. Very fast. And yeah, it's kind of at that point now where the MacBook Air range is competing just because it's such a powerful unit. I feel like it's a great system for a lot of people. So hopefully this short little preview of it gives you a little bit of a teaser. And yeah, look into it a little bit more because the MacBook Air is definitely advancing now, especially with its performance. It's a great unit.